Well, it's become pretty clear that I forgot to make a tutorial for Z-Blob. And in this video, that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Here are the parts you're going to need to make Z-Blob's chest. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to see a further look at any of the pieces I just showed you. We'll start with these two pieces and put them together like this. Next, we'll put the sticker pieces onto the chest, just like that, and now we have his chest plate. We'll then get the ball joint piece and put it onto the front of the just like that. Then we'll get Z-Blob's head and put it on just like so, and now we have most of him done right here. Next, what you're going to want to do is put these on either side of the waist ball joint, and just note that this is a small Lego tire that I put around the ball joint. You are then going to get this and put it on to the waist like that. Next, we can get this ball joint piece and put it on the back of his neck, or back of the neck right here, like this. Next, put this plate halfway between these plates, just like this. Then we can get this piece and put it on either side of that. We can then get this piece and put it together like so. Last but not least, just these two pieces that peg onto the back, just like that. And with that, we have Z-Blob's chest done. Building the waist is also fairly simple. Here's a quick look at every piece you're going to need for the waist. Now we may put them together. With that, we can connect the waist to the upper body. Now for his lower leg, we only have two parts that look like this, and they go together just like so to create the lower leg. Then we have the foot, which is also a pretty easy design, and that would go onto the lower leg just like so. And now it's time to see how we build the upper leg or the thigh. This is what the upper leg or the thigh looks like, and it is pretty basic to make. Once you have this piece, just put it on just like so onto the lower leg, and you have the complete leg. Build two of these, but this one in the mirror image of the first one you built to have his legs. Now for his arm, we have a little bit more tricky parts, such as this and this. These parts connect just like this to create his upper arm. For the lower part of his arm, it is extremely easy, and it is only 3 pieces to make. Now we have his hand, which should look something like this. You can make the hand how you want, because this is almost exactly the same as it is in the set. And with that, all you need to do is build another one of his arms in a mirror image of the first one you made. And that, all you need to do now is connect the arms and the legs to the main part of the body, and your Z-Blob is done. And quickly before we go, I would just like to show you the inside of the chest, just in case that got a little bit confusing for you. This is roughly what you're going to need to do to build the inside of the chest, and be careful when making it because these can pop out sometimes. Well, after saying that, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Legendary Makes, and I will see you guys in the next one. By the way, sorry for the long wait for the Z-Blob tutorial, and the Super Robot tutorial will be coming out very, very soon. Subscribe.